planned bonding trip with my cousins, and this is what happened. Morning ka. Good morning. Good morning. Yes. We rented a room for 24 hours in Moroami, Panglab Hall. That's my aunt, Manang Betty. She's gonna be our roommate with my mom. But wait, this is just a recap. What really happened last night was kinda different that we usually do. Because the last time that we just talking was now replaced by vlogging.
Hi guys! Video ne? Naka-record ne? Hi guys! Hoy, say hi!
Hi, 안녕하십니까? 지리말입니다. 나는 필리핀에서 사람이에요.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hi!
My vlog niyo, i-edit niya, tinin niya. Welcome to our vlog today. This is my cousin. My name is Jana Rosena A. Cadiz. I left someone. What is your name? And let's go there.
What's your name?
His name is Richard.
His name? Her!
My name is Jana. We are in Amarela, Panglab. This is Precious and Princess. Say hi to our vlog. Say hi. Where's Princess?
This is a vlog!
This is our vlog. Okay, let's go.
Oh my god!
Okay. Hi. Say hi to our vlog.
Oh, hello! Say hi to our vlog! Oh.
Let's go to the restaurant.
What is that?
Upload.
Hoy, Bet! Dahil na, Bet! Bibi ka! What's your name?
My name is Jana Roseni A. Cadiz. Unfortunately, broken-hearted ko.
Kaya naman.
Gibuwag ka.
Ala! Pilit na di mo? Oh my God.
20 today. Joke, right? Thank you for watching our vlog.
Thank you for watching our vlog.
Please subscribe and like and comment below.
Alam niyo na, saan ang mana.
Stepping right on through. Same old shit, same old solitude. But I won't be too long if I bring my horses and ride my freedom all the way back.
Guys, there's sunrise. And who's taking pictures today? It's my mother.
Stand to wait. Pretty boy, I wanna say dance, dance away. Look ahead, say I see me now.
Alas 5. Oo. Video. Alas 5 te. Nay, sa tuti. Kay Kuan. Sunrise.
Namukaw na. Mama,
Lega. Tintog na. Pinundan mo. Oh, sige, sige. Mga si Lula. Di ba ko kamatawa na kay naraman nila. Agit kang nito yung lubot.